Hello travelers, today, we're going to take a journey to the beautiful country of Sweden. We'll explore its rich history, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant culture. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. First, let's talk about Sweden's fascinating history. From the Vikings to the age of exploration, Sweden has a rich and diverse past. The Viking Age is a particularly intriguing period, with its legendary warriors and epic sagas. The Age of Exploration saw Swedish explorers like Peter the Great and Carl Linnaeus making significant contributions to the world. Now, let's move on to the natural beauty of Sweden. From the northern lights to the midnight sun, Sweden's landscape is awe-inspiring. The country is home to the world's longest mountain range, the Scandinavian Mountains, and the largest lake in Europe, Lake Vänern. Sweden is also a haven for wildlife, with moose, elk, and bears roaming the forests. If you're planning a trip to Sweden, there are plenty of places to visit and stay. Stockholm, the capital, is a must-see, with its stunning architecture, vibrant culture, and delicious food. Gothenburg on the west coast is another great city to explore, with its charming canals and hip cafes. And don't forget about the picturesque countryside, with its quaint villages and breathtaking landscapes. Sweden's culture is a blend of traditional and modern, with a strong emphasis on design, art, and music. The country is known for its innovative design, from furniture to fashion. And let's not forget about the music. ABBA, anyone? When it comes to food, Sweden has a rich culinary tradition, with dishes like meatballs, pickled herring, and Swedish pancakes. And let's not forget about the coffee culture. Swedes love their coffee. So, there you have it folks. A glimpse of Sweden's history, natural beauty, and vibrant culture. If you're planning a trip to this beautiful country, I hope this has given you a taste of what to expect. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching and happy travels.